Are we designing childcare centres from a cookie cutter? In this episode, we'll be looking at the work from Soh Hui Ling, who attempts to relook at how children play, how children learn, how children can grow with other children who may have special needs.
Hi, my name is Soh Hui Ling and I'm a graduate from Singapore Institute of Technology, Glasgow School of Art, Interior Design. Today, I will be presenting to you my own personal project where I will be using empathy design to address the issue of stigma and intolerance among children with medical conditions and special needs. And I'll also be showing you guys about how the notion of inclusivity in Singapore and the idea of play in spaces can actually empower these children to gain greater confidence and realize their full potential. Project 1, the Imaginative Preschool, is a whole new paradigm of inclusive education that welcomes children of 3 to 6 years old, both typically developing children and children with special needs. In this project, I explored new possibilities of inclusion and forms of imaginative play and how it can actually allow the children to be more creative, expressive, and understanding of their peers. Imaginative Preschool is located at Punggol Estate at one of the HDB buildings under the Void Deck because Punggol is a young estate and I want to inspire the notion of inclusivity to young parents and young families. So Imaginative Preschool emphasizes a lot on imaginative play whereby children role play and able to express themselves and understand their peers better. In Project 2, I worked with Children Cancer Foundation to redesign the space of their Learning Hub. The Learning Hub is a place for children with cancer to go in and learn while going in and out of treatment. So in this project, I explored the new possibilities of learning and playing through forms, fun, inclusive and collaborative learning environment for them to have a smooth transition back to school. My design philosophy is always have to put yourself into the user's shoe. It's like designing spaces for the children. You always have to put yourself into their position and see from their point of view and design the space for them.